Video opens with cinematic high-contrast shots of a perfectly cooked, juicy lean steak being sliced thinly. A high-protein meal prep box filled with the steak, quinoa, and green beans sits next to a set of heavy weights and a water bottle. What fuels a champion? Is it just the hours in the gym, the sweat, the dedication? Absolutely. But there's a secret weapon that many elite athletes have sworn by for generations. Something that helps build the very foundation of their strength. Today we're talking about the powerhouse of protein, beef. Cut to a shot of the host, energetic and standing in a modern kitchen or home gym setting. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a seasoned powerlifter, a weekend warrior, or just starting your fitness journey, you've probably heard the endless debate about protein sources. Powders, plants, poultry, they all have their place. But when it comes to building serious functional strength, beef holds a legendary status. And for good reason. Think about it. When you're pushing your body to its limits, lifting heavy, and tearing down muscle fibers, what do you need to rebuild stronger? You need high quality, complete protein packed with all 9 essential amino acids. And that's exactly what beef delivers. It's not just about the protein content itself, which is impressive, but the quality, and bioavailability of that protein. Your body knows exactly what to do with it, absorbing and utilizing it efficiently to repair and grow muscle tissue. Show an animated graphic illustrating the amino acid profile of beef? Let's get a little scientific, but keep it simple. Beef is a nutritional titan. Beyond just protein, it's loaded with other critical nutrients for athletic performance. Let's talk about iron specifically, heme iron. This is the type of iron found in animal products, and it's far more easily absorbed by your body than the non-heme iron from plants. Why does this matter? Iron is crucial for creating hemoglobin, the protein in your red blood cells that carries oxygen to your muscles. More oxygen means better endurance, more power, and less fatigue during those grueling sets. Iron and protein for powerlifters isn't just a catchy phrase. It's a fundamental principle for peak performance. Transition to a shot of different cuts of lean beef at a butcher counter or grocery store, and then there's creatine. Yes, that same creatine many of us supplement with for explosive power and strength gains. Beef is one of the best natural dietary sources of creatine. Every time you enjoy a steak, you're not just getting protein, you're also topping up your natural creatine stores, helping your muscles produce energy rapidly for short, intense bursts of effort, like a new personal record on your squat or deadlift. Plus, we can't forget the vitamins, especially B12. This vitamin is a game changer for energy metabolism, helping your body convert the food you eat into usable fuel. It also plays a vital role in nerve function, which is the communication highway between your brain and your muscles. Sharp mind-muscle connection is key to lifting with proper form and maximizing every single rep. Back in the kitchen, the host is preparing a simple beef meal. Closing parenthesis now. I know what some of you might be thinking, but isn't beef fatty and unhealthy? That's a common misconception. Like any food, it's all about the choices you make. There are dozens of lean cuts of beef that are incredibly nutrient-dense, without being high in fat. Think sirloin, flank steak, top round, or 93% lean ground beef. These cuts give you all the muscle-building benefits with a much leaner profile. Show a close-up of the host seasoning a lean flank steak, and the versatility is unmatched. You don't have to eat a boring, dry piece of meat every day. We're talking flavorful stir-fries, hearty and healthy chili, lean steak salads, or perfectly grilled kebabs. The key is in the preparation. Grilling, broiling, baking, or pan-searing with minimal oil are fantastic ways to keep it healthy and delicious. Let's build a perfect post-workout meal right now. Here I've got some pre-sliced top sirloin that I quickly seared. I'm going to pair it with a complex carbohydrate like sweet potatoes for replenishing my glycogen stores, and a big portion of roasted broccoli for fiber and micronutrients. This isn't just a meal, it's a recovery tool. It's providing my body with the exact building blocks it needs to repair, rebuild, and come back stronger for my next session. Display the final beautifully plated meal. Meal prepping is your best friend here. On a Sunday, you can cook up a big batch of lean ground beef or a couple of flank steaks. Portion it out into containers with your favorite carbs and veggies, and you've got your high-protein lunches and dinners sorted for the week. No more excuses for grabbing unhealthy fast food. This is how you stay consistent and see real results. It takes the guesswork out of your nutrition so you can focus your energy where it matters most. In the gym, show a montage of athletes of different levels training hard and then enjoying a healthy beef meal. Remember, building strength is a holistic process. It's the synergy between intelligent training, adequate rest, and powerful nutrition. Neglecting any one of these pillars will hold you back from your true potential. By incorporating high-quality, lean beef into your diet, you're not just eating a meal, you're strategically fueling your body for success. You're giving it the premium fuel it needs to build a stronger, more powerful, and more resilient version of yourself. It's about making smart, informed choices that align with your goals. So next time you're planning your meals for the week, don't overlook the power of beef. It's a time-tested, science-backed tool for anyone serious about building muscle and gaining strength. What's your favorite way to cook beef for your fitness goals? Drop a comment below. I'd love to get some new ideas.